on my head. That's how the song goes. Instead of me falling from my eyes on my heart, since you have been gone. I'm still confused, still lost, like an infant abandoned in the streets. My little brother, MaddUso, lying lifeless right in front of me. Last night we joked and talked with men to fight. Back in the good old days, my mom and dad had a very hard time. Reminiscing, but focusing on the future for our families. With a lot of determination, we can change our destinies.
Goodbye, little brother. You're in God's hands now. You're in God's hands now. Families are forever. So goodbye for now. So goodbye for now.
Henry, I miss you. Säg hos farmor må få i mig. Så sitter du I taler nu. Away, hvor firvar I. Fjer fusi ya tu ya te oe. She usa fa belle him. Money ale upo po fati toto. My ngalu toto na masina. I won't forget you. Best believe your memories live with me. I'll tell stories like you did. Take care of the kids. Families are forever. Your family knows you care. You're in a better place now. Be sure to have fun up there. Man, I miss you. You were always there for me. When you talk, I listen. I was your biggest fan. Just ask my kids. Never doubt you. I never gave up on you. I love you and I miss you. Come around if you need someone to talk to.
Goodbye, little